Hello, today I am on my iPad to talk to you about screencasting from the iPad. Screencasting is a great way for learners to be able to talk about what they're thinking as they go over a product that they've created or even a set of questions that you've asked them to complete. To enable screencasting on the iPad, first they'll open Settings, and then they'll go to Control Center. Once they've gotten there, they'll press Customize Controls, and then they'll find Screen Recording in the list and add that. Once they've done that once, it's there. Once screen recording has been added, you can access it in Control Center. You can do that by placing your finger in the top right of the screen and swiping down. You'll see that the screen recording button is here. Unfortunately, as I'm creating the screencast, I can't simultaneously use screen recording. But if you tap that button, it will turn red, letting you know that you are recording your screen and anything that you do here. When you're finished, similarly in the top right here, you will also see a red stop button. You'll go ahead and tap that. That creates a file that goes into your Photos app. And then you can use that and turn it into a place like ClassDojo by going to Activities, Video Activity, for example, Start, press the photo, and you can select any of the photos inside your photo roll, and that video will be right there for you. You'll tap it, select, and that will get turned in. It's just that simple, and you can screencast anything on your iPad from Notability files, Adobe Spark Pages, Google Docs, and much, much more. I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and as always, thanks for watching.